Welcome to the show. Please take one. You look phenomenal. Love your costume. Enjoy the show. Hi, amazing costume. Please take one.
Just one? I'll take the whole basket.
Yes, congratulations. What's your name?
Seth?
Seth. You just became the 1,000th Conan audience member to make that exact same joke.
Wow!
Best of all, you won a lifetime supply of Snickers bars.
A lifetime supply? That's a lot of Snickers bars.
Oh, maybe not as many as you think.
Oh, no, that's my friend Josh. He just wore this cool costume. What's up, Josh? It's not Josh.
Wait, maybe he's just hungry. You're not you when you're hungry, right?
Meh, hot mess, hangry.
Cray cray? Cray cray.
Woo. Thanks, Warrior Princess.
Yeah.
Hey, bud, you ready to get your Conan on?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, no more death. Enjoy the show. Great costumes, guys. You are so cute. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show. Amazing Westworld. Love it. Oh, cool. Don't know what you are, but very cool. Enjoy the show.